A few weeks ago, I went to a friend's house for dinner and had one of the most flavorful steak dishes I've ever had. It's called Steak Pizzaiola. Boy, was it ever good. As a matter of fact, it was so good that I made mental notes on how we could recreate it for you. So here's how. We start by searing a couple of strip steaks that we season with salt, pepper, and garlic and onion powder. After both sides are browned, we take the steak out and add some sliced onions, green peppers that we've cut into strips, a can of Italian-style diced tomatoes with the juice and all, and a little salt and pepper. After this cooks for a few minutes, we'll add the steaks back in and let it simmer until they're cooked to perfection. At that point, we take them out and cut them across the grain into thin slices. Come dinner time, spoon the veggie pack sauce onto your plate and serve slices of the tenderest can be steak over it. Although this is simple, the combo of the flavors makes this taste extra special. To get the recipe for what is known as Steak Pizzaiola, just visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a mouth-watering way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."